Hello guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Tonight we will discuss about our problem is make the complete schematic diagram for the three transformers shown below to be connected to 440 volts 3-phase source and to 660 volts 3-phase load. This is line 1, line 2, line 3. Supply natin from utility. Then this is line 1 from transformer 1. X terminal. Then this is X2. Ang X1 connected patungo sa transformer 3 primary winding. X2. Then another coil another terminal from the transformer 3 primary winding connected sa X terminal 2 sa transformer number 2 primary winding. Yung X1 kabilang side connected sa X2 sa transformer number 1 primary winding, connected into delta connection 440. Then ang transformer 1 yung line 1 niya sa X1, then line 2 is X1 sa transformer number 2 primary winding. Ang X3 niya sa X1 transformer 3 primary winding. Then ang load side, ang H1 niya patungo sa T1 sa ating delta sa ating Y load na Y na load na ilaw 3-piece. Then ang H2 connected into sa primary winding. H2 connected sa H2 transformer number 2 secondary winding, ug sa H2 transformer 3 secondary winding, then neutral. Ang H1 for terminal 2 sa ilaw natin sa Y connection. Then ang H1 sa transformer 3 number 3 H1 terminal patungo sa T3 sa ating ilaw. Ito yung ilaw natin naka Y, then neutral. Then this is primary winding 440 delta. Line 1 X1 winding, X2 transformer 1. Ang X1 connected sa X2 sa transformer 2, then coil. Ang X2 connected sa X1 sa transformer 3, then yung coil niya X2 connected sa X1 sa transformer 1 for line 1. Ito na yung line 1, then ito yung line 3. Yung output is 440 volts. Line 1 and line 2 is 440 volts. Then line 3 and line 2 is 440 volts. Then ang secondary winding 660 volt Y. H1 natin coil H2 naka-joint connected siya sa H2 sa transformer 2 ug sa transformer 3 H2. Then neutral. Then ang H1 line 1. Ang H1 sa transformer 2 line 2. Ang H1 sa transformer 3, line 3. Line 3. Line 2 and line 3 is 660 volt. Line 1 and line 2 and line 1 and line 3 is 660 volt. Then ito line 1 and line 2 660 volts. Bible verse of the day. Psalms 1 chapter 119 verse 105. The Bible says, "Thy word is a lamp unto my feet, and a light unto my path." Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And please don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated ka sa next videos na akong i-upload. Thank you for watching guys, and God bless. To God be all the glory.